Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Amazon Basics emergency seatbelt cutter and window hammer. So, comes in this Amazon Basics packaging. I already actually took one out. Here's what it looks like with one taken out already. Wow. Wow. So, you never know when you might need one of these. Always good to have one as an emergency in your vehicle. Wow, so seatbelt cutter down here, window hammer up here. So you pull this off. Yeah, and you have the window hammer here to be able to shatter your window so you can kick it out, and here to cut your seatbelt if you're stuck. Really cool, nice, sturdy, and yeah, really like it. So I'll drop a link in the video description below on where you can get this from, and hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.